Health Week 2021. Lesson 1, the 5 fabulous food groups. Upon completion of this lesson, you will be able to recognize nutritious food choices as an intentional habit to promote good health. Name the food groups and classify foods within them. Understand that foods work together to give bodies energy and to help kids grow strong.
Food groups. Solving the puzzle of healthy eating. Do you find it confusing to know what combination of foods make up a healthy diet? Well, food groups can help you solve the puzzle of healthy eating. We're going to learn about healthy eating patterns. A pattern is a specific arrangement of items. In this case, foods. The pattern outlines those healthy choices you can make for meals and snacks. My plate shows a healthy eating pattern. It can be thought of as a puzzle. To complete the puzzle, you need to assemble all of the individual pieces. The food groups. Eating foods from all food groups every day helps you learn and play. What do these words mean? Nutrient? A nutrient is what we get from the food to help our bodies grow strong and stay healthy. Key nutrients are the most important nutrients we get from a certain food group. Let's get familiar with the different food groups. The first food group we'll learn about is the dairy group. It includes foods like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Meet my friend Mary Dairy, queen of the dairy group.
Do you know what key nutrients are found in milk? Calcium, which builds strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D, which helps your body save calcium. And protein, which helps build strong muscles. Strong bones, teeth, and muscles. Be sure to drink your milk today at lunch.
Next, we'll learn about the vegetables group. It includes foods like lettuce, bell pepper, and corn. Reggie Veggie will tell you that vegetables rock. Do you know what key nutrients are found in vegetables? Vitamin A, which gives you healthy skin and eyes, and fiber, which helps you stay full. Healthy skin and eyes that see super sharp. Remember to eat your veggies at dinner. Now we'll discover what's healthy in the fruit groups. It includes foods like apples, oranges, and grapes. Here's Farah Fruit with fascinating fruit facts.
Do you know what key nutrients are found in fruit? Vitamin C, which helps our bodies heal, and potassium, which is important for a healthy heart and muscles. Fruits help your body heal when you are hurt or sick. Fruits make a great snack.
Let's see what we can discover about the grains group. It includes foods like bread, pasta, and rice. Jane Green is here to share information about great grains.
Do you know what key nutrients are found in grains? B vitamins, which give your body energy, and fiber, which helps you stay full. Grains, especially whole grains, are packed with nutrients that give you energy. Choose whole grains at your meals and snacks.
Finally, we'll learn about the protein group. It includes foods like eggs, beans, tofu, and meat. Dean Protein can fill you in on protein power. Do you know what key nutrients are found in protein? Protein, which builds strong muscles, and iron, which carries oxygen to cells in your body. That protein power is used to build strong muscles. Be sure to eat your protein at breakfast. So, now you've seen that all the food group puzzle pieces fit together to build healthy meals and snacks. A complete My Plate. Just like completing a puzzle requires all of the pieces, a healthy eating pattern requires all of the food groups. The food groups give us different nutrients, and the nutrients keep our bodies healthy. So how much of these foods is enough? How many servings of the different food groups do you need? The serving number for dairy is easy as 1, 2, 3. you need 3 servings of dairy each day.
How will you get 3 servings of dairy food today? You could eat yogurt with breakfast, eat string cheese for an after-school snack, or drink milk with your meals.
The serving number for vegetables is also 3. You need 3 servings of vegetables each day. How will you get 3 servings of vegetables today? You could add tomatoes and lettuce to a sandwich. Eat veggies dipped in hummus or dressing for a snack. Or eat a salad with lunch or dinner. 1-2 servings of fruit will pack a punch. You need 2 servings of fruits each day.
How will you get 2 servings of fruit today? You could add fresh fruit to yogurt, drink a fruit smoothie for a snack, or eat a piece of fruit at lunch.
For the grains group, think big. You need 2 servings of grains, or 5 to 6 ounces each day, and whole grains are the best.
How will you get 5 or 6 ounces of grains today? You could eat cereal for breakfast, eat crackers for an after-school snack, or eat a sandwich made with whole grain bread.
You'll get your protein power with 2 servings. Aim for 5 or 6 ounces of protein each day. How will you get 5 or 6 ounces of protein today? You could eat a bean cheese burrito for breakfast, eat nuts for a snack after school, or eat your entree at the school lunch today. Remember, food groups are the building blocks for health, the pieces that complete the health.
Here are the 5 characters from the 5 food groups. Let's take a look at Farafruit. Fruits are things like 100% fruit juice, blueberries, strawberries, watermelon, cherries, pineapple, kiwi, cantaloupe, peaches, and grapes. Let's take a look at Reggie Veggie. Vegetables are things like peppers, onions, cucumbers, broccoli. For the dairy group, Mary Dairy, dairy are things like ice cream, cheese, milk, butter, and frozen yogurt. The protein group includes things like nuts, eggs, meat, fish, and chicken or turkey. The grains group with Jane grain, it only counts if they're whole grains. So a whole grain bagel, a whole grain baguette, a whole grain waffle, whole grain pancakes, whole grain pretzels, or whole grain bread. Here is a recap of the food groups. So we have Mary Dairy. The name of the food group is dairy and its color is blue. Things in the dairy group are things like yogurt, cheese, and milk. It has calcium for strong bones and teeth. Next up, Reggie Veggie. Vegetable group, it's green. Things like broccoli, squash, tomatoes. Has lots of vitamin A. It's good for healthy skin and eyes. Farafruit, the fruit group, is red. It has things like grapes, strawberries, and bananas. It has a ton of vitamin C, and vitamin C is good for healing your body. And we have the grain group, Jane Grain, things like pasta and bread and cereal. It is loaded with vitamin B, and that gives you energy. And last but not least, Dean Protein. The protein group is purple. It has things like meat and beans and nuts. You have a picture of chicken there and a bowl of steak and a bowl of nuts, and protein gives you strong muscles. So if you want to, and only if you want to, you can start to try some new foods and use your senses to determine what you like about them. So let's say you tried some cucumber. I personally like cucumber a lot. What do I like about it? I'm going to write what it looks like, what it tastes like, what it feels like, what it sounds like, and what it smells like. So I am going to use my senses. So the words I use to describe my cucumber are crispy, fresh, crunchy, and juicy. So it's up to you. You can do this page. You don't have to do this page. I would just like to encourage you to start to try foods that you don't like. And try just means that you take a bite of it and you chew it up and you taste it. You might end up liking it. There are different ways to fix foods as well. So for example, not a big Brussels sprout fan if they're boiled. I don't like them boiled. They don't taste good to me boiled. But if I bake them, it's a whole different story and it tastes totally different. So don't be afraid to try some new foods. Class recap. Understand that foods are classified into groups. So there are 5 food groups: fruits, vegetable, dairy, protein, and grains. Understand that each group provides a unique benefit to your body. So dairy helps with strong bones and muscles. Fruit has lots of vitamin C. Vegetables have a lot of vitamin A. Grains have a lot of B vitamins. And protein has a lot of protein, which helps build strong muscles. Healthy foods have a positive effect on both your body and your mind. So it's important to try to eat foods from each of the 5 food groups. Don't forget to eat a variety of food from the 5 food groups. This lesson was brought to you by the Dairy Council of California and adapted for online learning by Miss Ford.